So guys, I just work on my code and I found this. As you can see, it's failed to fetch. When I check the model, like how many uses I have done, here you can see it's not working as well. I have Google AI Pro, but it's still not working. Let me just show you again. So here I go to account, then go to models again, and here you can see it already refreshing. Here you can see I have complete internet connection, but still it's not working. When I try to open a new folder and then try to send a request, it is still not working. Here you can see I tried my best, but it's still not working. And here you can see it is still moving. So I don't know what the issue here is and how the Google Gemini fixed this, or you can say the anti-gravity fixed this. But still we have to wait, and because of this, too many works we have pendings and need to fix this. So we have to find some alternate methods, and I can show you some alternate. Like here you can see I have some alternate, like go to Cline here, and you can see I have used Cline here, like OpenAI compatible Moon.ai. So you can use that as well, and if you want, you can just go with Codex as well. In the meantime, it just fixed everything. You can go with those models. So I hope you understand these things, and yeah, I'm facing this as well. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and if I got any new update, I will let you know. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.